Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject Maths. Chapter 12. Ticking Clocks and Turn. Parv is celebrating his birthday with his friends. Do you want to join the fun? Parv says, I was born on 29th February 2016. But wait, not every year has a 29th February. Why is that? Let's learn together. What is a leap year? A leap year has 366 days instead of 365. This happens once in every 4 years. The extra day is added to the month of February, making it 29 days long. Normal February has only 28 days. Next topic, check February days. February 2024 has 29 days, it is a leap year. February 2025 has 28 days, it is a normal year. Fill in the leap years. Leap years come every 4 years. Let's find leap years around 2024. Leap years 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032. So, fill in the blanks. 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032. How many days in a leap year? A leap year has 366 days. A normal year has 365. Next topic, festival fun. When do you celebrate which festival and which month? Diwali, November, usually light diyas and firecrackers. Ganesh Chaturthi, September, bring Lord Ganesha idols home. Dashera, October, watch Ravan Dahan and plays. Raksha Bandhan, August, sisters tie Rakhi to brothers. Independence Day, August, flag hoisting and parade. Eid, April or May, wear new clothes and eat sweets. Topic, how many hours in a day? Hello friends. Do you know how many hours there are in one full day? A full day has 24 hours. Yes, from one morning to the next morning. Let's take a look at the day of a doctor. Her name is Dr. She wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. That's when her day starts. Next topic, morning to evening, 12 hours. From 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening, there are 12 hours. These 12 hours include time to wake up and get ready, eat breakfast, go to the hospital, work in the hospital, return home, eat dinner. Next topic, evening to next morning, 12 more hours. Now from 6 o'clock in the evening to 6 o'clock the next morning, there are 12 more hours. During this time, Dr. relaxes at home, spends time with family, sleeps at night, and gets ready for the next day. So how many hours from 6 o'clock morning to 6 o'clock the next morning? That's right. 12 hours daytime plus 12 hours nighttime is equal to 24 hours in a day. Let's look at what Dr. Meena does and count the hours together. Wakes up at 6 a.m. Leaves for hospital at 7:30 a.m. Reaches hospital at 8 a.m. Works till 4 p.m. Leaves hospital at 4:15 p.m. Reaches home by 5 p.m. Sleeps at 10 p.m. Have you ever looked at the clock and seen the time is 8 o'clock? But wait, is it 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock at night? That's where AM and PM come in. Next topic, what is AM? AM means anti-meridian, that's a fancy Latin word. But don't worry, just remember, AM is equal to morning time. It starts at 12 midnight and goes on until 12 noon. So, when you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, it's 6 a.m. When you go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's 8 a.m. Next topic. What is PM? PM means post meridiem, another Latin word. But again, simple to remember. PM is equal to afternoon and night time. It starts at 12 noon and goes on till 12 midnight. So when you eat lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's 1 p.m. When you have dinner at 8 o'clock at night, it's 8 p.m. AM is equal to morning time. It starts at 12 midnight and goes on till 12 noon. So when you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, it's 6 a.m. When you eat breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning, it's 9 a.m. Next topic, understanding AM PM and the 24-hour digital clock. We will learn something interesting. We will learn how to read time on a digital clock using AM and PM. Next topic, two ways to show time. 12-hour clock. This is what we usually see at home or school. It uses AM for morning and PM for afternoon and night. 24-hour clock. This is called a digital clock. You can see this in trains, airports, and hospitals. Let's learn how to match the two. From 12 a.m., midnight, to 12 p.m., noon, time stays the same, 12-hour time, 24-hour time. 11:20 a.m. to 11:20 hours. 9:45 a.m. to 9:45 hours. After 12 p.m., we add 12 to the hour to get the 24-hour time. 12-hour time, 24-hour time. 11:45 p.m. to 23:45 hours. 8 p.m. to 20 o'clock hours. From 1 p.m. to 11 p.m., just add 12 to the hour. For example, 3 p.m. is equal to 3 plus 12 is equal to 15 o'clock hours. 5 p.m. is equal to 5 plus 12 is equal to 17 o'clock hours. Next topic, hours and minutes. Let's learn about time using hours and minutes. We all know there are 24 hours in a day. But do you know how many minutes are in 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That means when the big hand of the clock goes all the way around, 60 minutes have passed. Let's learn with Raghav. Raghav brings milk every morning. He leaves his home at 8:20 a.m. and comes back at 8:35 a.m. So how much time has he taken? 8:35 minus 8:20 is equal to 15 minutes. That means Raghav took 15 minutes to get the milk. Next topic, Raghav's homework. Raghav starts his homework at 10:20 a.m. and takes 25 minutes to finish. Let's add 25 minutes to 10:20. 10:20 plus 25 minutes is equal to 10:45 a.m. So, he finishes his homework at 10:45 a.m. Next topic, Munira reads a story. Munira starts reading at 4:15 p.m. and finishes in 45 minutes. 4:15 plus 45 minutes is equal to 5 p.m. So, she finishes at 5 o'clock in the evening. Next topic, Akira goes to school. Akira leaves for school at 8 a.m. She reaches in 15 minutes. Reaches at 8:15 a.m. Now let's fill in her day. Starts school 8 a.m. Reaches school 8:15 a.m. Finishes school assembly 8:30 a.m. Dance practice ends 8:45 a.m. Break ends at 9 a.m. Thanks for watching.